Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to explain about automated trading plus stock, a perfect match. Before that, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more info. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. Automated trading, also known as algorithmic trading, is a valuable tool in stock trading due to its numerous advantages that enhance efficiency, precision, and performance. A stock trading bot involves using pre-programmed algorithms to execute trades automatically, replacing manual decision-making processes. Here's why automated stock trading is considered beneficial. Speed and efficiency. Automated trading operates at lightning speed, executing trades in a fraction of a second. This rapid execution ensures that market opportunities are seized without delay, preventing potential losses due to human hesitation or slow execution. Elimination of emotions. Human emotions, such as fear and greed, can lead to impulsive decisions that negatively impact trading outcomes. Automated trading eliminates emotional bias by adhering strictly to predefined algorithms, enhancing consistency in decision-making and reducing the likelihood of irrational choices. Precision and accuracy. Algorithms are designed to follow specific criteria and technical indicators with precision. This eliminates the possibility of human errors or misinterpretation of data, resulting in more accurate trade execution and risk management. 24/7 availability. Not many of us can sit in front of our computers and monitor the market constantly. This is where an automated trading system like a stock trading bot can help. Automated trading systems can operate around the clock, even when traders are asleep or unavailable. This ensures that trading opportunities in global markets are never missed due to time zone differences or personal schedules. Backtesting and optimization. Prior to deployment, strategies can be tested on historical data to evaluate their performance. This process, known as backtesting, helps refine strategies and optimize parameters for better results in real-time trading. However, one must note that historical performance does not guarantee future performance. Diversification. Automat-ed trading allows for simultaneous execution of multiple strategies or across various assets. This diversification spreads risk and potentially enhances returns by capitalizing on different market conditions. Discipline and consistency. Algorithms operate based on predefined rules, promoting discipline and consistency in trading. This prevents traders from deviating from their strategies during periods of market volatility or uncertainty. Data-driven decisions. Automated trading relies on data and statistical analysis rather than intuition. This data-driven approach enhances decision-making by identifying trends, patterns, and correlations that might be overlooked by human traders. Accessibility and inclusivity. Automated trading makes the stock market accessible to a broader range of participants, including those with limited trading experience. Aspiring traders can leverage existing algorithms or create their own without extensive financial expertise. Some stock trading bot software like StockHero offers many pre-built strategies that allow traders to easily deploy them. In conclusion, automated trading offers a host of advantages that significantly contribute to the effectiveness of stock trading. Its ability to operate with speed, accuracy, and discipline, while eliminating emotional biases, positions it as a valuable tool for both individual and institutional traders looking to optimize their trading strategies and capitalize on market opportunities. A tool such as StockHero allows traders to trade more intelligently. Check out StockHero today at www.stockhero.ai.